Hi, I'm Katie, and today I'm going to show you how to create gorgeous balayage highlights at home using the Madison Light Works Balayage Highlighting Kit to go from this to this. What's cool about Madison Light Works is that it brings the two-step salon highlighting process home, all in one box. Step 1 lightens your hair, and Step 2 tones your hair to create perfect highlights. Lightworks gives you everything you need in this one amazing box. I love this unique Wishbone applicator because it gives you very precise application. The ammonia-free clay-based lightening cream allows for goof-proof application. The second step is just like what you would get in a salon, a toning glaze to improve the overall condition and shine of your hair. There's also a bond-building cleansing treatment to strengthen your new highlights. Before you start, you're going to want to put on a smock or a button-down shirt, just something that opens up in the front, and you're also going to want to have dry, unwashed hair. The day after your last shampoo is best. I also like to put a towel around my neck. Remember to conduct a sensitivity test 48 hours before applying. Steps are here in the instruction booklet. Madison recommends that you perform a STRAND test to determine the correct processing time for your highlights. Instructions are in the booklet, and they also have a video online you can check out to see exactly how it's done. So let's get started. The whole process takes 90 minutes from beginning to end. Okay, so I'm going to start by sectioning my hair off into 3 different subsections. I'm going to start here at the top of my head and just make a middle part all the way down from the top of my forehead to the base of my neck. Then, once we have that middle part in place, I'm going to section off over my ears and pull the comb back until I reach that middle part here in the back. And I'm just going to twist it up here. There's no real perfect way to do this, just get the job done. And then I'm going to clip it up. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do the exact same thing to my left side now. I'm going to portion off the hair over my ears, draw it back until I hit that middle part running down the back, and then again, twist it up here and clip it. All right, and then I'm going to take this leftover hair here at the back of my neck, and I'm going to do a little twist again and clip this final section of hair out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to start with the left side of my head. I'm just going to unclip this hair here and then section off a subsection from the temple to right above the top of my ear. And then I'm just going to reclip this hair back up. So I'm going to start by putting on my gloves, and then I'm going to squeeze the lightening cream into the lightning activator bottle. Shake until completely blended, about 90 seconds. The formula in the nozzle won't be fully mixed, so discard it onto a towel. Apply a generous coating of the lightening mixture to the bristles. Set a timer for 20 minutes and aim to complete the application within this time. Hold the section of hair down and straight slightly away from your face. Start at least 2 inches away from the roots. Press and glide the Wishbone applicator down your hair, only applying to the top surface. Turn the Wishbone applicator horizontal, and you're going to want to use it to fill in the bottom of the section. And when you get to the ends, make sure you coat them all the way and smooth out any clumps. Now I am going to move to the other side. Again, take a 1/2 inch diagonal section. One trick is to use the Wishbone applicator to outline one side of the V and then the other. Continue to move upwards, alternating sides until you've completed 4 to 5 balayage sections on each side. As you can see, I've left 2 to 3 inches of hair between each section. As I move to the top of my head, if I find a wider section, then I'm going to go ahead and divide it into 2. Make sure each section is completely and evenly saturated. The great thing about this clay-based formula is that it doesn't transfer to other pieces. If you happen to get any of the lightening mixture on your skin, then just go ahead and wipe it off with the cleansing wipe included in your kit. And remember, if you already have highlighted hair, make sure you only select sections of hair that have not already been highlighted. Be sure you dispose of the bottle and its unused contents before moving on to the next step. All right, so I am done with this part. Go ahead and take off your gloves and set a timer for about 40 minutes or according to the results of your strand test. As it processes, you can wipe away some of the lightening mixture to see how well it's lightening. After my processing time is done, I'm going to jump in the shower with my gloves, rinse, and then shampoo with the bond building cleansing treatment and leave it on for about 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm back from the shower, I've towel dried and combed through my hair, and now I'm ready to move on to step 2, toning. I'm going to put on my third pair of gloves and squeeze the toning glaze into the toning glaze activator bottle and shake it for about 30 seconds until it's well blended. I'm going to completely saturate my hair with the toning glaze mixture. I'm just going to put it on here in a zigzag formation, and then after all the hair is covered, just smooth it in with my hands. And I will continue doing this until I've used the entire bottle. Now that my hair is fully saturated, I am going to ditch the gloves and put on this cap that also came in the Madison Reed kit and set a timer for 20 minutes. Now that the 20 minutes are up, I am going to rinse, shampoo, and condition with the shampoo and conditioner that were included in the kit. Here it is, the finished product. I absolutely love these really natural looking, sun-kissed Madison Reed Light Works Balayage highlights. They are just soft and subtle and smooth. I love how there's no hard lines or spots, and I cannot believe that I achieved this result at home. Remember, if you have any questions, Madison Reed is just a call away. Thank you so much for watching me today go through this 2-step process. I hope it was helpful for you and that you will be able to achieve these gorgeous highlights as well.